Hello my dear viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Laura. Please like, subscribe and continue watching for more. So today I'll be taking you on how to use the Microsoft Excel. So I come to our start button, then click further Excel app. We shall be using Excel 2006. So we shall have here the various Excel types. So we come here and click into a blank page. When you come to a blank page, first I'll be showing you what we call the rows and columns. We have different Microsoft Excels. We have Microsoft Excel 2016, which we are using. We have 2017, we have 2013, we have the Microsoft Excel Android app, then you have the Google spreadsheet. So what we are seeing, the horizontals are what we are calling the horizontal sides, the ones with numbers. Then there are the rows. Then we are calling the vertical columns. These are the vertical columns, the ones with the letter. So one single box like this is what we are calling a cell. Today in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you on how we are going to format data and create the formulas, then arrange the functions. So today I'll be starting with an example in formatting data. So we shall begin by formatting our data. I come here and click in this. I'll be typing. We shall be handling a school shopping list. So to be my shopping list, Shiba's shopping list. So the item here is Shiba's shopping list. So shall be having my shopping list. So I come here and click in, for example, item, then I'll have here the price per item, price. Then I can have here the quantity. So some of the items we are having here, I can have shoes. I need shoes on my shopping list as a student. Then I have the books, then pens, then finally I can have a set. Then here we have in the price per item. So each pair here will be 5,000. Then next I'll be having books. Each book can cost 4,000. Then I'll be having pens. Each will be costing 500. Then I have pencils, whereby each pencil will be costing 200 shillings. Then the next pencil, then the next will be a pen highlighter, whereby my pen highlighter will be costing 15, will be costing about 1,500. So we have a set which is 6,000. So here we come to the quantity. We fill in the quantity we need. Pen highlighter, we need like 3. Then we shall have only 2 sets. So here we have filled in the information we wanted. So we can format this cell into currencies. We can come here, right click. After right clicking, we can format our cell into what we need. So there are a lot of formats, different letters. So we can come here to our front. We choose the word. I still need it in this. So font style, we can have it like this. Then the size is fine. Then it's okay. We leave it to be that. So everything is set. Then some other thing we can do, if the word is not clear, we can come in here and increase these boxes. Cells can be increased and reduced. So next we shall be handling what we call creating functions. We are going to create function. So we can come here, and into this we have an equal sign. So creating a formula, here we shall be needing something like the cost of the item, total cost of the cost of the item. So when we are formulating a formula, we can use the simplest. We come here, click equals sign, then we come to the box here and click. We are having before, then before we are multiplying it times the item. So we can bring our multiplication sign. We come in with our multiplication sign, so we click here and this, then we get the answer. Enter. So that's the price. Now we can use this formula to handle other work, but we can simplify it by doing this. Then you click enter. So enter, all the work is fixed. Now next we are formatting. We shall have something here we are calling the total cost of the item. Here total. Here to find the total cost of the items, we can come and say here we shall be adding from here. So we come in here and say this total cost of the item. Since we shall be adding this, which is our D4, we can come and put in our equal sign. So this plus, come to our plus this, plus this, plus that. Then we come back to our shift and add a plus. Then we come to this, then we shift, add a plus, then that, you add a plus, you add a plus, you come here, you add a plus, or you come here and add a plus. But that will come here, backspace, shift plus, then you have all of them, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can click enter and have our total costs, but we can have it simplified to a different way. So to have it simplified, another formula, so we can come here, delete this, backspace it, then we put our equal sign. Then after the equal sign, we come here and feed in the formula. So it's a sum. So sum means we are adding up sum. So we have sum. We open our bracket. We open the bracket. Then we come here. Then we click into all of them, and then we place enter. So then we have the total costs. Then we can also add something like average costs. And so here for the average cost of items, we come here, place our equal sign to the formula, open our bracket. Before you open it, you first fill in the average. So we type in the word average. We have it here as average. So our average, we open the brackets, average. So our average, we want the average cost of which costs here. Then after all this, you press enter. So averagely each item would have been costing 6,200. So this is how we have formatted our work. Don't forget to save the work after doing everything. So with this, the last two items, we have seen the range functions. With our first, we have created the formulas of adding and multiplication, and the other one was formatting the data into something reasonable. So we come here and save our work. So we go to save as, then we are saving to the desktop. Endeavor to save your work in order for it not to be deleted. So we are using book. So we shall be calling it shopping list because it's a shopping list. Shopping list. So we save shopping lists. It is directly saved to our desktop as a shopping list. Thank you for liking, thank you for following, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. For those who have not yet subscribed, like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials on how to use your computer for better improvement of work. Thank you.